I was baking a cake the other day. It was flour. You know, I went to my kitchen, got everything ready, put it on the counter, and I started mixing stuff together. You know, and then finally I put it in the oven to bake. Now, I haven't baked a cake in about 10 years, so this is actually just a complete metaphor for me trying things the other day, just in general, you know. And trying is a funny thing. It's like the flour of who we are. Is it more like the egg? Or is it actually like the oven, you know? Baking everything together, solidifying it, and then making us rise. People just gotta do what they want more. That's what I think. I think people just gotta do what they want more. What do you want? That's right, what do you want? I'm telling you, what do you want? Please, tell me. Because it is very important that I know this information. You know why? Because if you're someone who just wants attention, then that's messed up. That doesn't make any sense. That's not serving anyone. Attention. What does that even mean? That's an idea. That's just a thought. You want a thought over a friendship? That's like an actual, that's more than just a thought. That's an experience. A thought is of attention is the most shallow thing you could possibly have. My entire life I've wanted attention. That's all I've ever done. I've just wanted to be some professional soccer player, mountain biker, rugby player, rock climber, anything I get my hands on, actor, anything, YouTube Oscar winner, something or other, anything. That's all I wanted, attention, to be special, be great, for the world to know who I am. What the frick is the world? The world is just an idea. How do I know that the world exists except for what is right out there behind me? The entire world is exactly what I'm seeing, feeling, touching, smelling, hearing right now. That is the entire world. Why do I give a damn what the rest of the world thinks about? It may as well not exist. It could just be an entire conspiracy, right? The entire world may not exist, and I'm gonna spend my entire freaking life trying to find that out, trying to get their attention, or what? What am I gonna save the world? No, it doesn't matter that much what I do, whatever I do. The world's just gonna keep spinning round and it's gonna explode one day. Maybe I'll make it a little bit better. I'm not gonna make it any better by freaking trying to get its attention. I'm gonna make it better by knowing how to live. I'm gonna make it better by freaking letting go of my need to make it better. I'm gonna make it better by just living it. I'm gonna make it better by paying attention to what there is, to the world that I have. The only world that we have, it's not up there, what we think about, it's what we feel, what we know, what we experience. Our entire world. Hey, look, I'll explain it like this. We may spend our entire life trying to get to the other side. The world of a world, but in reality, the world's not flat. In reality, the world just keeps on spinning. In reality, the world is round. You can't get to the other side. In reality, you can run all the way around the world and you'll never reach the other side because it just keeps on becoming the top. Whatever side you're on, that's the top of the world. Can you realize that? You can't get to the other side. That's the life you're trying to get to, right? Whereas, this is the life we have right now. Do you reckon I can feel any other life than the life I'm about to have right freaking now? This is the world we live in. What? You see, right here, right here is what matters. Is this what you're going to value in life? Or are you going to value being liked, being all this other shallow stuff, like stuff that you imagine, like prestige, like attention, trying to get attention, trying to be so special. Hey, you trying to be so special or what? I feel pretty special right now. You know why? Because this is my entire world. I don't care about anything else. Nothing else matters except for me to stay on this rock. Yeah, that's right. It's called enjoying life. What matters in life is what you pay attention to. And guess what you can't pay attention to? Some stupid thought about a future life. The future you can't pay attention to because it doesn't exist. The only thing that is real is whatever you pay attention to.